Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about sunflower seeds, and I have a list of tips and ideas for using sunflower seeds. So if you love your sunflower seeds and you're looking for something a little different to do with them, hopefully this will help you out. Why not add some sunflower seeds to your favorite tuna, chicken, or turkey salad? How about sprinkling some sunflower seeds on your favorite green salads? Add sunflower seeds to scrambled eggs or an omelet. Use finely ground sunflower seeds as a breading in place of or in addition to flour of your choice. This can be used on meats, fish, poultry, and vegetables. Sprinkle sunflower seeds on cold or hot cereals like oatmeal. Add sunflower seeds to your favorite homemade trail mix. Add sunflower seeds to homemade granola bars. Sprinkle fruit or yogurt parfaits with sunflower seeds. Why not add some sunflower seeds to your favorite stir fry? Why not sprinkle your favorite sauteed vegetables with some sunflower seeds, and that'll add some crunch and flavor and some nutrition to your vegetables. I do hope this helps. Now this is part 1 of 3 parts. This list is pretty long, so stay tuned. I'll have links to the others below. Bye for now.